Here are 5 Web of Science Index journals you can access for free, filled with high-quality research, reviews, and clinical studies in nursing and health. First, the Journal of Aging and Health. This journal focuses on elder care, chronic illness management, and strategies for healthy aging. It's an essential resource for those working in gerontology and public health. Second, Issues in Mental Health Nursing. Dedicated to psychiatric care and mental health interventions, this journal is perfect for clinical and academic mental health research in nursing practice. Third, the Archives of Women's Mental Health. This journal explores mental well-being across all stages of a woman's life. It covers topics like perinatal health, postpartum disorders, and the impact of hormonal changes on mental health. Fourth, Healthcare for Women International. Offering global perspectives, this journal covers reproductive health, healthcare access, violence against women, and policy reforms related to women's well-being. And fifth, the Journal of Community Health Nursing. This journal highlights community outreach, health education, and public policy. It's especially useful for nurses involved in primary care and preventive health programs. Explore these free journals today and boost your knowledge with peer-reviewed articles that matter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.